Now this video is of the XCP VendaVolt, golf cart, and EV, and other type charger payment station operation. This VendaVolt has 6 different prices for 6 different times. You can set anything from 1 hour up to 24 hours. To operate, you make your selection.
Please present your card or your mobile phone.
I'm going to take my pass card.
Authorizing. Thank you.
Now, I just charged $5 for 1 hour of time. Our GFI outlet either will accept a single or 2 power cords, 20 amp, 15, 20 amp. The green LED indicates that there's electricity flowing. We utilize a high gain antenna, so even in areas where cell phone is limited access, you can still usually pick up a signal. Connection is through the back. You insert your 14 gauge wire, a black, white, and a green. We provide a stub wire, which makes it easy. You'll notice in the corners for mounting, it comes with 4 self-tapping mounting screws. So you can attach this either to a rectangular post or to a wall for easy installation. Additional time can be added. For example, we're running here for 1 hour for $5. So let's say I want a little bit more time. I can add time on top of time. In other words, to accumulate. So I can go over here and I can click for $10 as an example.
Please present your card or your mobile phone.
That'll be for another 2 hours on top of my partial 1 hour that's running right now. So I make my payment.
Authorizing.
And it's just adding now to the countdown time that's running. This is an accumulator mode. This ends our video. For more information, contact XCP 352-678-3021 or drop us an email, sales@xcpcorp.com. Thank you.